Hello everyone, welcome to Theta Cartel. Today is October 2nd and the time is around 11:30 a.m. EST. There are a couple of stocks which I put on this week and have some previous positions which I have to give an update on. So here it is. So the first of all, I just want to make an update on my profit and loss. So from my last video, it was around 22,600. From past 1 week, um, most of the positions have been going good. The P&L has increased from 22,600 to around 24,400 now. Um, Not bad. So there are a couple of new trades which I placed, but let me start with the existing ones which I had explained last time. So AMD was the one which is here from very long time. I've been rolling up these positions week after week or like 14 days, 15 days. So if you look at now, my AMD positions will expire in about 8 days. It's about October 10th. I have a strike price of 175 and it's in the money strike. If you look at today, it's around 4.5 um, points increase, the AMD. So it's up around 950. I had sold it for $18.23 and I still have remaining $8 to collect out of this $18. So let's that keep cooking. Um, the stock has been rallying with the good news, and so that's about the AMD. I will not touch anything. I've only captured 50% of it. I want to capture it more, and I think I had this Amazon position as well. Um, if not, this is expiring tomorrow, as you see here, and I have sold a 217 strike, 217.5 strike, and I had sold it for $3.20. Collected almost 82% of the whole premium. I will leave it to expire since Amazon is trading 220, so the whole will be around 320 if it expires worthless. That's about Amazon and SMCI. SMCI has been rallying from the past week. It was around 44. So when it dipped like around 45 or 46, I placed this cash secured put again. So have captured again $112, almost 97% captured. Only 3 cents remaining. Let me try to close this out. I don't want to wait for it to expire. I'll keep it for 2 cents. Let that keep working. If not, I will leave it to expire worthless. As you see, even though my open profit and loss for SMCI shows $400, um, and have been selling the cash, the puts after the stock dipped a lot. So my real year to date on this SMCI is around 634 plus. So I'm not in loss on this SMCI. I've made it to green. Um, you can watch all my old videos to check how this position is green, even though it is showing around 400 loss on the 100 shares which I have. That's about SMCI, and there are 3 new trade which I took this week. One is Costco. Costco dipped a lot. If you look at the chart after their earnings, which was like a week ago or somewhere. Yeah, I think 25th or 26th they had an earnings, and stock dipped from 950 and it went down to 903, and it had a good IV rank when I placed the trade. So what I've done is I've not done a cash secured put because its stock is around $900. If I place one position, that would take around 90,000 in my portfolio. So I did a I did a vertical put spread. So if you look at the analysis tab, um, I have placed 2 legs, the spreads. So I will be making 1.4 That's around 1,400 if the stock stays above 890 in next 52 days. If not, the loss would be around 3,600. I felt it's like good profit ratio for uh, next 52 days. When I place this trade, now it's like 2 days gone and it's around 50. So I'm not hoping Costco to dip more. If it dips more, we can roll up or do some extra other adjustments. But as of now, the trade is going good, so I will leave it as it is. So this has extrinsic value collection of around $1,400. So as of now, I have just collected around $137. So I will leave this positions, let it keep working. And other position was Meta. Meta too, I did like a vertical spread. Uh, Meta is um, Meta is having a dip. If you look at the charts for Meta from past, I think it went until 791, and then it's around 7. It came down until 711. So it's almost a 90 points dip. So I placed a vertical put spread on it. My position is around $156 down, but this is a 50-day option contract. So if you look at the analysis tab, if the stock stays above 717, I would make $101,300. If you look at the profit and loss ratio, it's a very good. It's almost 1:1. Uh, if I lose around $1,700. If I make around $1,300, and I have plenty of time to make my position to be right. So around 50 days. So I will keep this position open and let that keep cooking. And other trade, SOFI. I didn't explain SOFI, I guess. Yeah, SOFI has been dipped with some of the news which came from um, other peer company like Upstart having the delinquencies percentage hike from last 2-3 months, but I think that's just a fake. I mean, they messed up the report, and all the financial companies similar to Upstart, SoFi, now Lending Finance. There are some many other competitors, and all have been dipping down. So SoFi had hit $31. I think that's the all-time high. So I have 28 put strike, which is expiring in next 8 days. If so, my thinking is if my position uh, goes against me, and if it goes like 100%, so right now have sold it for 231. If it's become like $4, I'm gonna add one more contract, right? So I'm gonna roll it to next week or 2 weeks from now, and keep collecting the premium. The same thing I did for SMCI, but SMCI I got early assignment, and I started selling again new puts. And even though now position is $400 minus, it's $600 plus. So you do the math. I'm just doing basic level 1 and level 2 strategies here on this particular account. So nothing crazy, nothing rocket science. So these are my positions, and if you look at my options buying power usage, I have done only 50% of my total. I still have around 55,600 capital to be deployed. Since as of now, E-mini S&P or SPX 100 have been now rallied a lot, and I feel that most of the um, stocks are expensive. I will wait for some time to put on more uh, positions into my account, and if there is any good opportunity like the one like Meta or Costco, I will I will grab it in my both hands. Um, it's not that if you have a capital you have to deploy everything. You have to make at least try to get a right um, opportunity to put on your positions. Um, yeah, so that's the overall update on my portfolio. If I have any new positions or new role or new adjustments, I will post a new video on it. That's a wrap. Thank you.